We brought in some big guns today. But man, it was killer heat yesterday. So we did all that trimming yesterday. Went okay, but I burned up a chainsaw, so had to go buy a bigger chainsaw. Had a little girly chainsaw. I bought a 20-inch Craftsman. We'll see how it does. But I got the pecan tree taken out. Minimal damage to the vehicles. Got a couple dents. Get those popped out. No big deal. But we haven't really worked on the inside of the house yet. Dumpster's coming today. We're gonna start getting all that literal crap out of the house. It is a disaster in there. Perfect place for a spooky haunted house, or you know, somewhere to get herpes, I guess. Here comes our dumpster. We're gonna need 2 of those. We're probably gonna need 2 of those. It's gonna fill up quick. We brought in some big guns today. We got the Hydra axe coming in, the grappler. So we're not playing around no more. These little baby tools. We got some real man tools. Got the generator out. Went and bought a 20-inch chainsaw. I can feel the chest hair sprouting. But we fought this all day yesterday and we did not get very far, so if you ever get the chance to cut a hackberry tree, I highly advise against it. So that's what we got done yesterday. This tree is just a mess. So after yesterday, we found the garage, brought in a load of dirt so we can level out some of the ground, but just being able to find the garage, that was a big accomplishment. The garage is a huge pile of crap, but we'll fix it. But we got all this cleared. You can actually see around everything. Gonna do a little more scraping to get all the wood chips out, but I mean, it's a vast improvement over what it looked like 4 days ago. A little weed eating, a little mowing in there. But man, coming along nicely. I think this is going to be about the end of day 3 and a yard demo. So we're going to start inside the house tomorrow. Get all that demo done, start in here, get all this stuff put in a dumpster, and go at it again.